energy ng mga Gemini natin. Let's see. Universe, Holy Spirit. Kuha tayo ng one card for you, Gemini. So, you have this, no, Magdalene, no? You are stronger than you think, no? So, for some of you, Gemini, no, napakalakas nyo ngayon, no? Maybe sa mga pinagdaanan nyo sa buhay, no? Hindi nyo akalain na malalagpasan nyo pala yun, no? Something like that, no? So, kaya nga dahil ay napakalakas nyo, napaka-strong nyo ng personality ninyo, no, mga Gemini, na akala nyo ay hindi nyo yun kakayanin, no? So, maybe for some of you, hindi nyo yun nakikita sa sarili nyo, right? No? But then, ang ibang tao ay humahanga, no? Dahil nalagpasan nyo yung mga akalain nilang hindi mo malalagpasan, no? Something like that, no? So, that's why you are this strong, you have the strong personality, no? Mga Gemini natin. So, let's see, no? Family situation ng mga Gemini natin. So, kuha tayo ng 2 cards for you, Gemini. 2 cards for Gemini, please. Family situation ng mga Gemini. So, let's see. So, you have this work, no? So, no, for some of you ay maybe within the family, no, pwedeng ikaw tong work ng work, or maybe for some of you ay nagtutulungan naman kayo sa pagtatrabaho, no, sa inyong family. And what else? So, sorry, hindi kasali to. So, kuha pa tayo ng 1 card for you, Gemini. Nasali. So, you have this metamorphosis, no? So, for some of you, no, may mga pagbabagong nangyayari, no, within the family, no? Maybe dahil sa work, no, something like that, no? Maybe for some of you, may mga bagong family member nyo, may mga bagong work na ipo-pursue, no? Something like that, no? That's why may mga magbabagong mangyayari within the family, no? Pwedeng may lalayo because of work, no? Something like that, no? Kaya may mga